ebuyende t-shirt yekutuuka otafayo
Kingisiza murenga nagira ngu sako y'abashubuzi eyarashagike kutandika omuri Busoga neza kwera abashubuzi eminyeto kandi ekiroto kye n'okureba ngu sako egi yakora kuhika aha rurengo rw'okuba eine sente zikurenga biliyoni 1 buri mwaka. Okurugirira hari Kingisiza nagira ngu obworo buri mu Uganda oburikukira munonga omu minyeto nibubaasa kuhwaho habaho okukwatanisa hamwe n'okukorera hamwe.
Ekyokubanza ekyo bariita poverty ninga obworo. Abasoga bagira ngo kunuya mu kicweka kyabo hariyo obworo bwingi ngo obworo n'obwo kubamara. Ekyakabiri bagira ngo mu Basoga hariyo emirimo, abana babo bashutame mu muka tibari bine emirimo tibarakora. Ko nabirebe byo bibiri nashanga tibyo mu Uganda yonka konka biryo mu nsi yona. So ebyo bintu bibiri na president witu omukundwa General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nibyari muka aragambaho, nibyo araza kunyama aragambaho. Ekintu cy'obworo n'ekintu ekikuru munonga n'ekintu cyo kugira ngo abana bitu tibine emirimo. Erizoba twaganira ha bintu bingi konka ekikwatirine okwasa hari ebyo bibiri twareba ngo cyo kubanza nituza gukora yo sako hano ya Musabu region. Sako tugitendaza nyowe nk'omuntu mani ga Ruhanga gambikise ninza kutamo miliyoni 100. Ejo sako nituza kugirega ko mu mwaka gumwe ningi ibiri tugihise ha biliyoni. Eze sente nizo kuyamba abantu ninga abana bitu ba youth ninga abavubuka n'abacyara. Abacyara nabo nibo baraza kuyamba nitwenda abantu barikozesa kuruga shilingi emwe okuhika ha miliyoni 5 ngo visionize zisente okubingo bworo mu mako gabo.
Bo ba delegates kurgo mu cyangeki ekya Busoga basima Kingisiza aho kugira omwete no mutuma gwo kunde Entunguuka okwera abantu hamwe no kunda Uganda nungi.
Namande bisubi by'Abasoga otugomera kuzubiya ife like ebisande bitano biwere bino byena tufunanga kumukisa kuba nabakise parliament not even kodos 1 kodos 3 bali kusinzira ku bidube by'omukuru atusubizanga bino byena idabi tukolera twena tumbuke tubeko okumanika mu government.
First and foremost I want to thank King Ceasor Augustus Murenga that he has put much of his time to look for the entrepreneur delegates all over the country, so I want to credit him for that. Secondly, given that he has moved the entire country, it has enabled him to gather what is enough of the challenges affecting entrepreneurs, and not only entrepreneurs but NRM as a party. And in his message, he has tried to hint on some of the things which are affecting us, which I think, if in case God enables and he gets into power as the national chairman, with that kind of ideology and according to his manifesto, I believe the entrepreneurs reach and the entrepreneurs of Uganda will never remain the same in this.
Era olunaku lwaleero tubadde Busoga nga tu endosinga King Ceasor okubeera chairperson wa Entrepreneurs League mu SEC. Era nga Abasoga tumutaddemu obwesige kubanga muntu wa mazima ayagaliza. Era mu bigambo byabadde mulambulukufu n'agamba nti yagaliza ate teweeyagaliza. Ekintu nga scholarships kyawa abaana kitandikira ddala ku baana bamulekwa, kikutte nnyo ku bantu ate ne mu audience tulabyemu obujulizi nga nange kennyini mu constituency yange mulimu abajulizi.
Ekintu ekirarete bamuhagiro mu Karuru aha bw'entebe ya chairman wa NRM Entrepreneurs League omu Uganda.